Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Guys, here we are going to explain about that the chapter number 15, and the topic will be the lenses. So what we can call the lens, we will discuss over here today as a lenses. So what actually called as the lenses? You have seen in most persons there are spectacles. Spectacles usually made up of the lenses. By using the lenses, and even you have seen a microscope, a telescope, and a watchmaker used a simple form of a object that can wear on his eyes, that is also made by the lens. So what we can say the lens about? Lens is what actually? Lens is the transparent object made by the curved lenses. That means curved glass or plastics. So we can say lens are the material, lens are the transparent material that are made by the curved glass or the plastic, by the two curved glass or by means of one curve and one flat glass as well. Either it is made up of a glass or plastics. Lenses can be used in every sector. You can see about the magnifying glass, the telescope, the microscope, the spectacles, and the peepholes into the rooms, where it will be used in different manners. So these are the lenses. Lenses are the transparent object that can be made by using either the pair of a curved lenses, pair of a curved glass, or the pair of a plastics. The curved plastics, or might be one curved glass and one flat glass. So here we have to study about the types of lenses. What are the different types of lenses? Types of lenses. What are the different types of lenses? As we know that there are, before the topic I have already explained about that the curve mirror. So on that particular basis, it is also a two type, that is the concave lens and convex lens. So we will have to discuss firstly about that the types of lenses, in which first one is convex lens. What is the convex lens? To which we can say the convex. Convex lens is a type of a lenses that are thicker in the middle than the edges, or we can say it is the lens that is thinner at the edges and thicker at the middle. What are these types? We can say these are, you can say like this. This is the lens that is convex lens. It is what actually? It is the convex lens. It is what? It is the thinner at edges and thicker at center. So this is a type of convex lens. So we can say the convex lens is a type of a lenses that can thicker at the center and thinner at edges as top. Or we can say it is thicker at the center than the edges. So this is about the convex lens. Now the criteria to be taken for the formation of an image by the convex lens. Convex lens always forms the magnifying images or the larger images, large size images. How it could be? It could be said to the converging lenses. Why it is called as a converging lens? Why? Because when there is light falls on it, what will be happen? The light get converges at a fixed point. So why it is called as the converging lens? Due to the conversion, here is suppose if there is a flame, so its image will form over here as a large size the image formation will take place over here larger. Why? Because it can converge at some particular places. So this one is called as a converging lenses. In it, when the object placed at certain distance, the image always form as the magnifying, or it is upright, erect, and larger than object. Is said to be also, this is called as the convex lens is responsible for when the object is placed at a particular distance, it will form larger, but when the object is placed nearer to the lenses, what will happen? If it is placed near to the lens, near to the convex lens, what type of then this image form? If there is an object placed near to the convex lens, suppose it is as nearer, so what will happen? It will might be great over here, but it could not be. Its image might be confined at some particular distance and it is magnified. This could be formed over here as about magnified. Why? Because this could be placed, if it is could be placed near to this, that one is formed as a magnifying or magnified image in place. This will be in the form of upright, erect, and as a magnifying image. Next one is what we can say, it is considered to be as what actually called, this one is formed as a magnifying image when placed near to the object or near to the lenses. What will be happen when there is a light placed at a certain distance? When the candle light placed at a certain distance, so their image will not be as larger as it, but will be the larger than the object and erect, upright and got clear. But when it is placed near to the object, it will be completely large, that is a magnified, upright, erect, and it is the most larger. So the next one on which we are going to be talking about, that is the concave lenses. Concave lenses. Now second one is concave lenses and convex lens. When the object placed at a certain distance, the image formed is the real object. Why? Because this can be placed over the screen, or the image formed at a particular distance that could be represented on the screen. So this one is a real image. But when it is placed near to the lenses, that could not be placed or represented on screen. So that one is called as a virtual. So in case of a convex lenses, the image also be formed as virtual as well as the real images. In hence we can say on about the concave lenses. Concave lens. What is the concave lens? Concave is a type of a lens that can the thicker at the edges. It is thicker at the edges than the center. Or we can say it is thinner at the center but thicker at the edges. We can say like this. It is thicker on edge, thinner at center. So it is a concave lens. Concave lens is a type of a lens that also be might formed by the combination of two curved lenses. These two curved lenses might be two curved lenses or might be one curved and one flat lenses. Suppose if it is flat and here is a curve. So this one is called as concave. If it is like this, so that can be also a type of concave lens. These concave lens may be the combination of two curved lenses like this. If it is like this, so this one is a kind of concave lens. When we are talking about the concave lens, this is shows that the image formation takes place by the what type of the image formed by the concave lens takes place. Here we can see the image formation takes place by the concave lens is the concave lenses form the image always as a larger size. Why? Because this can be formed always image in a smaller size. Why? Because this one is called as diverging lenses. This is called as diverging lens. If it is called as a diverging lenses, that means what? This can be of like this. So the image will formed over here at in behind the lenses on its focus. So if the object is placed here, so that could be might formed here is smaller. Why? Because these image got over here, through which this can be placed to form like this. So whenever the image formation takes place by the concave lenses, this must be a type of virtual. That means it could not be shown. It could not be shown on a screen. It could not be shown on a screen. So this one is said to be the what it is? It is a virtual. It is virtual, erect, upright, and smaller size. Then we can say it is the concave lens that can be uses of concave lenses. The concave lenses, first of all I will tell you about the convex lenses, uses of a convex lens. Convex lens must be used in case of spectacles, microscopes and magnifying glass. The use of concave lenses, the concave lenses used in a telescopes, and this can also be used in making a type of telescope.